Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of automotive art as we learn how to generate stunning BMW car images in various styles using AI. And the best part? It's completely free. So buckle up and let's get started with this exciting tutorial. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser and search for Styler AI. From the search results, click on the first link to access the Styler AI website. Once on the Styler AI website, click on New Project to begin your creative journey. Describe the type of image transformation you want to achieve. A BMW sports car with large wheels and a high-performance engine is displayed on the page. The car appears to be a two-door. Now, it's time to choose your desired style. Let's start with realistic for our first transformation. Click on Stylize to let the AI work its magic and transform your image into the selected style. Take a moment to review the results and marvel at the realistic transformation. Now, let's add another style. Choose Innocent Cutie for a cute and adorable transformation. Once again, check the results to see the new style applied to your image. Select all images and click on Place on Canvas to arrange them for export. Finally, select all images and click on Export to download your transformed images. And there you have it, folks, with the power of AI. You've generated stunning BMW car images in different styles, all for free. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to explore the endless possibilities of AI-generated art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy creating!